Tons of upgrades. All brick home with / oversized 3-car garage and brick shed in the Tiffany. No carpet. Master plus 2 bedrooms down, 2 bedroom '(s) plus huge bedroom / theater upstairs. LRG unfinished room for storage. Kitchen has double ovens, walk-in pantry, instant boil by sink, LRG laundry room with / sink, extra cabinets, granite counter. Stamped, stained and sealed porches, wired theater system in GR, kitchen, dining room, extra LRG screened porch, wired stereo in master and huge bedroom / theater room. 3 TVs, speakers, subwoofers, and amplifier stay. Upgrades in docks.